two lip balms that I want to show you guys, but in true Charisse and Avery fashion, we completely lost them. Going to be a Ulta and Lush haul. I've had these items since the beginning of May, so yikes. Correction, I've had the Lush stuff since the end of April. So starting off, I have the Golden Handshake. This is a hot hand mask, and it looks like this. It's on like this little stick, and you dip it into warm water, and then you put your hands in there. I kind of feel like I could get multiple uses out of this, so if you've used this before, let me know if you can totally get multiple uses. I kind of want to split it in half, and you know, obviously use it twice. Next we have the Cup O Coffee. This is a face and body mask. Super thick. I love anything that's like a coffee scrub situation. I don't know why. So I'm excited to use that on myself. You know, it's spring and summertime, and I want my skin to be exfoliated and glowy and like soft and just pop it. I want to look like I'm oiled up even when I'm not oiled up. I hope that makes sense. Next, we have the Tea Tree Toner Tabs. I got two of these little guys. Super excited to try those out. I can't remember if you're supposed to just use it in the shower or if you can just put it in a hot-ass bowl of water and put like your face over it. So since I got two, I think I'm going to try it both ways. Next, we have the Experimenter Bath Bomb. This is what Avery picked out. This thing is huge, and I'm definitely going to break this up, and she's gonna get multiple baths out of this. And then we have, ooh, this one melted a little bit. We have the Purple Drain Bubble Bar. This thing you can definitely get at least 4 to 6 uses out of if you cut it up. Do you guys remember back in the day I made a like Lush video showing you guys how I cut how I cut my bubble bars and like split the bubble bombs and all that, or bath bombs I mean. And the last thing, this is how you know I've had this shit for a minute. This is a Mother's Day bath bomb, and the color's starting to turn a little bit. There's like white spots all over it. This is called Incredible Mom, and this is a bath bomb. Look how freaking cute this is. I meant to use this on Mother's Day, but we ended up going out of town. So that's it for all of these Lush products. Let's get into the Ulta stuff. First, I'm going to show you these wipes that I got from Target. It's just two of the same wipes. These are the exfoliating cleansing wipes. I did not know that these even existed. For some reason, I have them both open. And these are a apricot scent. They're supposed to help remove oil and dirt that clogs the pores. I really do like these. You just got to make sure you're not too rough, because it does have like these little beaded situations on it. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, they are kind of rough, but I do enjoy them if I'm not being ridiculous and, you know, going to town on my face. So that's from Target. Actually, just kidding. These two are from Target as well. These two Maybelline Concealers. I could not find them at Ulta to save my life, which kind of irritates me. So I got the Instant Age Rewind one and one of the darker shades. This is in tan. And then I know I'm so late to this. So late. Everyone and their mom has been jumping on this and trying out the darker skin tones in this. And then I got a darker Fit Me, and I got the hazelnut one. And I was surprised when I saw this. You guys know I need to get back into makeup. I have been out of the loop for so long, but I did not realize that they made darker shades in the Fit Me. The current Fit Me shade that I use is Cafe. So let me go ahead and open it. So you can definitely see the difference. I am hoping that this one will be more of a like skin tone shade for me for days that I like just want to put a little bit of concealer on my eyes and some of my blemishes. Okay, now onto the Ulta stuff for real. Just kidding, because I have something from Walmart. So this is the Hard Candy Glamoflauge foundation. This is the first time I've ever bought something from Hard Candy, and I'm kind of scared that this isn't going to be my shade, but we'll see. Maybe I'll do like a first impression Friday. Let me know if you guys want to see that. And this is in the shade Deep, and I'm pretty sure this is the darkest shade that they have in this. And I feel like it might be thick because I've shaken it a few times and it's not moving. It says Invisible Camouflage Foundation. Okay, now for real to the Ulta stuff. So the first thing from Ulta is this Fizz and Bubble Lip Scrub in the Watermelon scent. This is what the inside looks like. I've only used this one time, and at first after I used it, I felt like, oh, my lips are super moisturized. But after a few minutes went by, they really felt super dry, and I had to immediately put some lip balm on. So I'm gonna like try it out a few more times and see how I really feel about it, and then I'll get back to you. Next, I got this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Gingersnap. I'm pretty sure I've been wanting this one for a while. I honestly and truly need to stay away from lip glosses because I feel like I always get the same shades, but I think it's cute. We'll see. Speaking of lip glosses, here's another item that I got from a different store that's not Ulta. This is the Colored Rain lip lacquer, I think. I want to say it's called a lip lacquer. So basically a lip gloss in the shade Brown Sugar. This thing is so pigmented. I got this from the store Riley Rose, and that, where is it? Here it is, up here. That's what that one looks like. I also was wearing this in my recent video. The video before this, that was about the ColourPop group. Back to Ulta things. I got another Essence Make Me Brow. This is obviously in the darkest shade that they have. And then I realized that the GimMe Brow is back. How long has the GimMe Brow been back? Because I had that, I loved it, and then I somehow lost mine or something. I got two mascaras. I got the Essence Get Big lashes. And this is in Triple Black. This is what the wand looks like. And then I got the NYX Lavender or Purple mascara. Keeping on the colorful theme, I got the NYX Brights eyeliner. This is in the shade Vivid Hollow. So it's just a yellow eyeliner. More NYX shit. I got the NYX Slide On Eye Pencil. This is in Tropical Green. I want to try to do like some fun looks this spring and summer. I'm hoping if I buy a few colorful items that that will put me in the mood to be more creative. We'll see. I got these eye patches from Too Cool for School. These are the Coconut Oil Serum Eye Patch. And then I got these Tony Moly Changing Magic Foot Peeling Shoes. Because, you know, once again, it is spring and summer, and these toes gots to be together. Last two items from Ulta. We're almost done, you guys. So I got this Sally Hansen Lavender Spa Wax Kit. I want to start waxing, especially like my underarms and stuff. So yeah, I got this kit. And then last item, I feel like this was a major come up. I can't pronounce this freaking brand name to save my life. Is it like Oidad or something like that? I got this little kit. This is the Curl Immersion Kit, I think. But it's for kinky curls, which is super exciting for me. It's regular price, $32. It was in like the little clearance section for $17.97, but when I ended up going to Ulta, they were doing like an extra 50% off of the clearance items. So I scored this baby for like $8. Woo, 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 woo. And so it has a cleansing conditioner in it, it has a deep conditioner, it has a custard, and it has a setting cream. And I'm super excited to try this out. I've been wanting to do new things with my hair because I'm this close to cutting my hair once again and doing like the short fade situation. So yeah, woo! I was about to do my outro, but then I realized that I bought one more thing from Target. So the other day I actually ran out of toner, and you guys know, or you might know, I don't know, that I use the Murad toners. Just either Murad toner, doesn't really matter. So I don't got the money to be constantly buying these damn $20, $30 toners. So I decided to try the, is it pronounced Thayer's Witch Hazel toner. I got the one in cucumber. I was gonna get the spray bottle, but I realized that the spray bottle was $10.95 for, I want to say 6 or 8 ounces, and this bad boy is the same price for 12 ounces. So I figured I'll just get this and pour it into my Murad spray bottle. Alright, so that is it for this video. If you've used any of these products, let me know how you feel about them. If there is anything that you think I should totally pick up from any of these beauty stores, let me know. I need to get back into the game. I need to start testing out makeup, putting some freaking eyeshadow on my face, trying out new foundations, any and everything. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so more people can see it. And if you have any video suggestions, also leave those down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.